Okay guys, here we go. 2-minute help video. The idea is to make this as fast as possible. So, first of all, what on earth is a constant? A constant is something that doesn't change the whole way through our program. So for example, I've got one here, max score equals 100. If you go through the program, there is nowhere that can be changed. So it's constantly the same the whole way through the program. Therefore it's a constant. A variable is something that can change. Your user score equals, and look, we've got an input so we can change it. That's a variable, so it's something that can change the whole way through the program. A data type is really, really important in this. If I got rid of this int and made it into a string, or that means text, then I wouldn't be able to measure it against this a, which has got a number 80 in it. So the purpose of this program is really, really obvious. Basically, we want to test to see whether our user got an A, B, C, or a fail. Okay, so the next part of this is really, really important, and that is test data. I've got a minute left to fill in the table. So what we've got here is if we get an A, we have to get over 80, right? If we get a B, we have to get over 70, and so on and so forth. However, if we put in something mental like fart, it should not work, which it doesn't. If I put in something over 100, it should tell me that's too high. Okay, so what we do here is we do a test table. Okay, let's get rid of that bit. Oh, I'm going to go over my 2 minutes. So we're doing a range check to make sure it's within our boundaries. A normal one, so this is what a normal score would expect, so we could go for, I don't know, 70. Another low one would be 20. An expected outcome would be success. Now usually you would write in what you'd actually expect to happen here, but guess what? I'm running out of time. Abnormal, this would be like fart, for example. It would expect it to fail the program or break the program. Another one might be 140. Yeah, so again, too high, so it wouldn't work. Some other ones that we might have, extreme, so this would be 99. We're right on the extreme amount of acceptance, and both of these would be a success. So this makes sure that our program's tested and all of it works. Test datas and test tables are really, really important, and you need to use them, and I went 18 seconds over. Not bad though.